Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we need to record the transactions that took place, so let's get to it. So here we are in our Ameritrade paper trading account, and we had placed a call and a put early last week, last Sunday, and waited for the market to open Monday. And this is probably serves as a good lesson to always keep an eye on the Monday markets to make sure that the orders you place actually executed. And I fell short on that. I wasn't watching it, and I didn't check it till just now. And it turns out the put I placed actually never fired. It expired, as you can see right here. So we kind of lost out on playing both sides this week on Marvell, and turns out placed the call. And as you can see, we placed that. So both of these were placed, on January 22nd. So that was a Sunday, I believe. Let's just double check that. Yeah, that was a Sunday. So we placed it on Sunday, and Monday came, and apparently the stock price shot up because I was looking at the charts. And back here on January 23rd, you can see it did a big run up. And actually, if you look at this, the open was at 40.20. So it already started pretty high. So anyway, it never filled at this limit price of 74, so it just expired. Had I been watching it, I could have moved it up and moved the price up to like 40 for a put or something, and collected some premium. But I wasn't watching it. I dropped the ball on that. So in any case, we did place the 40-50 call at a 54 limit, and that one actually did fill. As you can see the 23rd. That's Monday, so it did execute like right after the market opened at 8:31. Now, the cool thing about this is I set a limit of 54, and as you can see, it actually filled at 87. So the market really jumped up pretty high. So we actually collected a lot more, like $30 more on that than we were expecting. So in any case, what we need to do right now is we need to go ahead and record these transactions. The put, we can just ignore because that expired, and we didn't get nothing for that. But the call did execute, so we do need to go ahead and log that into the application. So let's go do that right now. All right, so here we are on the website, myatmm.com, and we're setting on the dashboard. We need to go over to the cost basis page. Go ahead and filter it down to only positions because we only have a position right now for this demo account in the Marvell, stock symbol MRVL. All right, so as you can see, we have the stocks listed here, and we're not successful in placing the put because we weren't watching it to lower our limit price. So we were basically asking for too much, so it never got filled. And the price never came back down that day, and it was only a good for day order. So anyway, we did, however, sell the call. So what we need to do is go ahead and record that. And the start date was this past Monday. We sold to open. It was a call. We did one contract. Expiration was this past Friday. The strike price we did that at was 40.50. And the price we got for it was actually more than we were. Our limit was our limit was like 50 something, but the price we actually got was $87. So that's really good actually. So anyway, we submitted that. It fell into the calls the calls grouping. So you can see it right there. Our proposed transaction was added here. We need to go ahead and record it to our transaction history. We can either type that in here, or we can use this helper button to copy that information down. And since it's the demo account, we're not recording any fees. The fees for this option in Ameritrade was like 65 cents plus the regulatory fees. But we're not tracking that in this demo account for now. So we collected $87 premium. And before I click save, I just wanted to scroll back up here. You can see we've collected $407 total on this, and our cost basis with premium right now is $36.43. So let's just make a mental note of that, $36.43, and click save here. And now scroll back up, and now you can see it went down from $36.43 to $35.56. So always working, collecting premiums, playing both sides of this wheel strategy, and overall continually lowering our cost basis. So eventually, doing this enough times, you'll basically get into zero or negative territory, which basically means you own the stocks for free. You've basically collected enough premium at that point to where you're in these shares for free, which is an awesome feeling. So in any case, all right, so that recorded that transaction. So we have collected a total of $494 on this stock. We're still in the position, and we'll see how it plays out, see if we get called out this Friday, and we will deal with it then. So that was a pretty quick video recording that transaction. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go out today if you haven't, and get your free account on myatmm.com. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.